Hello everyone. Now that we know how to count from 1 to 10, today we're going to count from 10 all the way to 100. So 10 is dop, dop, mapai, mapai, samsap, samsap, saisap, saisap, hasap, hasap, 60 60 70 70 80 80 90 90 100 100 okay, just like 6 7 8 9 we just add 10 with all the number. Okay, so you want to say 11, you just say 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and then repeat. Okay, we'll see you in the next shot. Bye.